you guys know my history with race cars and stuff like that, being a former racer myself, but I'm also from the Northeast, and the Northeast is known for their big block modifieds, their modified race cars in general. And back in the day, all I built, for a really long segment of time, all I did was build NASCAR kits and race car kits. And it didn't matter what it was. But modifieds were my favorite, because obviously I was a local short track rat, and the modifieds were my favorite class at the time. This is that 39 Plymouth.
The lead bag is full now.
I bet you this is 30, 35 years old, this kit. I built this a really, really long time ago. For a long time I maintained it. This is another one that I continue to maintain and put on the shelf. And if you remember, I mentioned I'm going to use this rear bumper on the 32.
I was in, where was it? Upstairs in,
still have the box.
I was upstairs in Chester.
Still have the box.
In the room on my own.
Box art on it. Right? And the
And
decals I used on this is off the Terry Labonte Piedmont Chevrolet Monte Carlo. You'll recognize that.
I took my boxer shorts down for a wee.
I got one more to show you. I have a bunch more, I mean a lot more, but it'd be a really long video if I pulled out every single one of them.
And then you have to come around me to take them off.
So this is the Revell GTO. I don't have the box to that one. I really